up, fellas? We got the Outkast 8S out here today with all the Vitavon upgrades on it. It's a little construction site down the road from my house. Got some big dirt hills, still some snow in them. We're just gonna have a little fun here. Old dirt still soft. She stumbles a little bit, but she catches a good little flight right there. This dirt is just so soft. I wish there was more packed. We can check out some more of these hills over here. See what they like. I know these are soft. Oh, this might be good. Let's check it out. The tires is full of dirt. Good air. Yeah, them tires. Next outing, we'll probably throw the original ones back on here. That wasn't no good air. It's almost, that dirt so soft, it's like a brick wall. It just poof. Stuffed it. Let's see if we can find a better jump. May not find nothing much better. Oh yeah. Trying to get me, ain't you, big fella? Uh-oh. We lost rear wheel drive. Huh. Let's see what happened. This will be the first time I've ever really tore anything up on this thing. Yeah, strip the gears out. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a day. That is a nasty mess. Look, the fan gonna start working. All right, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think of that bash session, and we'll get back at y'all on the next video. Peace out, fellas.